Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lower dish rack wheel assembly on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the wheel is broken, damaged, or missing, and your dish rack is having a hard time rolling in properly. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So now we'll pull out our lower dish rack assembly here, just for demonstration purposes. Flip it over here, and you can see on the bottom, it's got 3 wheels on each side for a total of 6. So these wheels right here come off, they're just clipped on, and you can get any of them off by just pulling that clip out like so, and it rotates, and then the whole wheel comes right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement wheel assembly. If you don't have it already, you can find it on our online store. And to put the wheel back on, simply slide it on to that shaft right there and rotate it until it clicks into place on that tine right there. And then you can set it back down, give it a test, let it roll around, and you'll see it rolls nice and easy, nice and smooth like that. So we'll put this basket back in, push it all the way in, close your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.